Hi, second graders. Ms. Fogelman here for your math lesson. If you remember, we've been talking about money, the value of money, and adding coins together. So let's go ahead and get started. Today is the 17th, and our learning target is the student will find different ways to make the same amount of money. So we're looking for ways where we have the same amount of money, but maybe in different coins or different dollars. So you can mix and match different amounts of money and make the same total. Before we do start, I did want to review our money map from yesterday. A penny, which is the copper coin, is worth 1 cent. And here's what it looks like for real in the real world. Here is a nickel, and the nickel is right here. That is worth 5 cents. The dime is this smaller coin over here, and that's worth 10 cents. And then you have the quarter, which is this bigger one right here, and that's worth 25 cents. This one right here, I can't really tell. I believe it's the 50-cent piece, which you don't see very often, but there is a larger coin that is worth 50 cents. They also have larger coins that are worth $1. So those are very hard to find. They don't have those in circulation. So many times people have them and they collect them. But the ones we're going to be dealing with are the quarter, which is 25 cents, the dime, which is 10 cents, the nickel, which is 5 cents, and the penny, which is 1 cent. So we are going to use this virtual classroom that helps us to add and subtract money. So I'm going to change the setting. All right, so here are our coins, and they look like they do in real life. We have the quarter, which is 25, okay? And I think we're going to do a quarter, a dime, 2 nickels, and a penny, okay? So we need to first figure out how much that is. So if this is 25, okay, 25 plus 10, 25, 35, right? Because it's plus 10. 35 plus 5 is 40. 40 plus 5 is 45. 45 plus 1 is 46. So we're now going to move these over here because we know we have 36 cents. Okay. Now we need to find another way to make 36 cents that doesn't use the same. We can use some of the same coins we did, but they have to be in a different mixture. So I'd say we forget the quarter altogether, and we have 10, 20, right? Because those are 2 dimes. Each one is worth 10. 25, because 20 plus 5 is 25. 30. 35. 40, right? Because these are worth 5. 45. 46. So let's look at that again. Here we have the quarter, right? So this is 25 plus 10 is 35 plus 5 is 40 plus another 5 is 45 plus 1 is 46. So we need this one to be 46. So let's start with the higher numbers. We have 10. Whoop, doesn't want to stay in there. All right, I'm not sure what the problem is here. All right, let's see if I drag it from here. Yep. So we have 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, okay, 45. And then this one makes 46. Okay, so they both equal 46. This one has less coins because it has the higher amount coin, but this one still equals 46, just like this one. And we're going to hit our equal sign to see if we're right. And we are. Very good. All right, so let me clear that one and we'll try it again. Okay, this time we're going to collect 10 cents. See how it says 10 cents right here? Okay, so we're going to, here's our dime. That's worth 10 cents, right? We're going to put the 10 here. Now we have to find another way to make 10 cents. Well, we can't use the dime, right? And we can't use a quarter because a quarter's worth 25 and that's too much. So how about if I do a nickel and 5 pennies? So a nickel's worth 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, let's see. And sure enough, it works. All right, let's try one more. Okay. Uh-oh, somehow it's not liking me right now. There we go. Oh, now this is a big one. We have to collect 93 cents. Okay, so if we're collecting something as high as 93 cents, let's start with our quarter. A quarter is worth 25 cents. 25 plus another 25 is 50. 50 plus another 25 is 75. Okay, so we're not at 93 yet. Okay, we know 25 plus 25 is 50. 50 plus 25 is 75. So if we do 75 with a 10 is 85. 85. We can't use another 10 because that would take us to 95. So 85 plus 5 is 90, 91, 92, 93. All right, so let's put these in one of our banks. Whoop, it doesn't like me putting it there. All right. Hopefully we can fit all of these in our bank. All right, now we have to find another way to make 93. Well, let's see. If I start with 2 quarters instead of 3, that's 25 plus 25, which is 50. Then maybe I'll go to my 10s, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 91, 92, 93. So instead of using that 3rd quarter, I started using dimes. Let's review again. It's 25 plus 25 is 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 91, 92, 93. All right, let's see if Miss Fogelman can get all these coins. Oh my goodness. Oh, I remember now. It wants us to take it down there first. Crazy, crazy. All right. So there's our 2 25s. Now we have our 4 10s. All right, let's see if we did correctly. Sure enough, we did. All right, so we're going to stop there. Let me go back to my slides. Okay, you will have a worksheet in Shobi that talks about equal amounts of money. Make sure you do that. And we will watch, I think I'm going to skip the video for today in closure. just because I don't want to run out of time on my recording. So I'm going to stop my share and make sure you get that work done in Shobi, and I will see you soon.